Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that often arises when working with text files. The problem we're tackling involves managing duplicate strings in a file, specifically when dealing with adjacent lines. In this case, we have a file called b.txt that contains repeated occurrences of a particular string that we want to filter out. The challenge lies in ensuring that we remove duplicate instances of the string only when they appear on consecutive lines. Now, let's shift our focus to the solution to this problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in utilizing the uniq utility with a specific command. By running b.txt uniq, we can instruct the uniq utility to read the input file and compare adjacent lines. It will then output only one copy of each input line, while disregarding the trailing new line character. This ensures that duplicate adjacent lines are eliminated, leaving us with the desired output. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of filtering out duplicate strings that appear on consecutive lines in a text file by leveraging the uniq utility with a simple command. With this solution, we can efficiently manage and clean up our text files without losing any important data. I hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and any other tech challenges you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and happy scripting!